numbers. In that, first one is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Okay, I'll tell you one story for you. Imagine you and your friend playing a game. In that game, you scored 98 and your friend scored 95. Now, who will be the winner now? Yes, you scored 98 and your friend scored 95. Here, always 98 is greater than 95, so that you will be the winner now. For doing all these things, we need the concept comparison of numbers. In order to identify the greater and the smaller number, we need the concept comparison of numbers. Let us study in detail. In the comparison of numbers, generally we use three symbols that are, first one, this is less than. Less than. Next one, this symbol. This is greater than. Then last one, equal. First one is less than, next one is greater than, then next one is equal. Observe these two symbols. Here, the open side points towards the greater number and the closed side always points towards the smaller number. By using these two symbols, we can tell which number is greater and which one is smaller. Then finally, the remaining is this one. If the two numbers are equal, if it is same, that time we are using this symbol equal. This is all about these three symbols. By using these, we can compare the numbers. While comparing the numbers, we come across two cases. In that, case 1, the numbers have same number of digits. Same number of digits. Here, case 1, the numbers have same number of digits. At that time, what we do? We compare the leftmost place first. Here, we are talking about 4-digit number. So that, which is the leftmost place? Yes, it is thousands place. Let me explain an example for you. Example, compare 1523 and 5666. Here there are two numbers are given. Our task is to find the bigger number. 1523, 5666. You observe these two numbers, there are 4 digits are there. So that what we have to do? What is the next step? We have to compare the leftmost place. Which is the leftmost place? Yes. In this, 1 is the leftmost place. Here, 5 is the leftmost place. Here 1, here 5. Obviously, you already know 5 is always greater than 1. So that the number 5666 will be the greater number. This is about the case 1. consider an example. Compare 2650 and 2520. Here two numbers are there. We have to compare these two. 2650, 2520. The number of digits same. So the leftmost digit 2. Again it is same. So what is the next step? Yes, we have to move on to the next place, that is hundreds place. In the hundreds place here 6 is there, here 5 is there. So obviously 6 is greater than 5, so that this number 2650 will be the greater number. This is about case 1. Okay, let us study case 2 now. Case 2. Numbers have different number of digits. Numbers have different number of digits. If this is the case, what we have to do? We have to identify the greater number, right? So which is the greater number? The number which contains more number of digits will be the greatest number. I'll explain one example for you. Example, compare 520 and 9288. We have to decide which one is a greater number. 520, 9288. Observe first number. Here 3 digits are there. Here 4 digits are there. Here 3, here 4. Obviously 4 is greater than 3. So that the number 9288 will be the greatest number. This is about case 2. Next concept is successor of a number. Successor of a number means the number which comes just after the given number. Or else if we add 1 to the given number, that will be the successor of that number. I consider the numbers 1, 2, 3. If we fix 2, what is the successor of 2? Yes, it is 3. 3 will be the successor of 2. Or else if we fix 1, which will be the successor of 1? Yes, 2 will be the successor of 1. I will explain some example for you. Example. Successor of 2320. Successor of 2320. What we have to do? We have to add 1 to the given number. 2320 plus 1. What we get? 0 plus 1. 1 only. Here 2. Here 3. Again 2. What is that? 2320 plus 1, what we get? 2321. This 2321 will be the successor of 2320. The successor means the number which comes just after the given number. This is about successor. The next concept is predecessor of a number. Predecessor of a number. Predecessor of a number means the number which comes just before the given number, or else if we subtract 1 from the given number, we get the predecessor. For example, I'll consider the same. Suppose you fix 3. Which is the predecessor of 3? Yes, it is 2. It is 2. Now you fix 2. What is the predecessor of 2? Yes, it is 1. So, predecessor means just before number. Let us discuss one example. Predecessor of 5265. What we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from this number. That is 5265 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. Then remaining numbers are same. So what is the answer? 5265 minus 1. The answer is 5264. This 5264 is the predecessor of this number. This is about predecessor of a number. In this session, we studied about comparison of numbers, successor of a number and predecessor of a number. I hope you all enjoyed my class. I'll meet you in the next session with a new concept. Thank you.